All right, guys, it's the 11th hour. We're getting ready to go. We leave tomorrow to go to Florida. I'm trying to get things done, but I wanted to make sure that I got in my AOTD for today. So, jeez. I'm actually hanging out in the Target parking lot right now. I was going to take it in and just kind of film it in there, but I don't think you're allowed to do that anymore. I think they're kind of cracking down on people vlogging in their store and stuff. So, and the other place I have to go is Walmart. So at any rate, today is Monday, and here is today's AOTD. All throughout your life, people are always going to tell you, be a leader, be a leader, be a leader. Today, I'm going to tell you, not that. Is this clickbait? It might be clickbait. Anyway, today's AOTD is this. Guys, my advice to you today is to be a follower. Yep, that's right. I said it. Be a follower. And what do I mean by that? So, I'm going somewhere along the lines of like a social media thing or YouTube or Twitter or something like that. Yeah, I want you to be that kind of follower. I'm not saying be somebody who can't make up their mind or make their own decisions about things and is just constantly like stuck tagging behind other people who are pushing farther ahead. I don't mean that at all. This is not meant to be that in that sense. I said that a lot in that phrase. What I mean here is that I want you to find a couple of people that are doing something that you are interested in as well, and I want you to follow them, and here's why. Let's say you're really into YouTube. Let's say you're into being a creator. What are you going to do? You're going to find a couple people who are also creating, and you're going to look to see what they're doing. You're going to get inspired by what they're doing. You're going to take what they're teaching you and you're going to apply it and make it in your own videos and whatever you're doing. So the reason I'm telling you to be a follower is this. When you find a couple people that are doing what you are interested in, it's totally going to inspire you to be doing the same sort of thing. And that's a good inspiration. I'm not telling you to be a copycat and copy what you see. When I go and I watch other content creators on YouTube, I see things that they're doing that inspire me to come up with ideas about what I can do. I'm not copying what they're doing. I'm getting ideas. I'm being inspired to get ideas to do things that I want to do. The same way, like if I was really crafty. Like if I was really crafty, I would go straight to Pinterest and see things that other people are making and be like, oh, yeah, that's something that I might come up with a sort of idea to do. I could do that. So whatever it is you're into, if it's art, music, religion, Disney, YouTube, social media, history, science, whatever. Find a couple people who are on social media that are already doing something there. Check out what they're doing, see what they're doing, and get inspired by it, guys. Get inspired to do things that you can do, that are in there, that just maybe need a little bit of a tug to pull them out. You can do it. It's going to be amazing. I know it. All right, guys, I got to hurry up and get everything done, and I want to try to get this posted and uploaded today before midnight so that it counts as being in line with every day for the last 7 days. This will be day number 8. Have a great night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're on the road. I'm going to try to film something along the way, maybe edit when we're in the hotel room tomorrow night. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. Have a great night.
A few moments later.
Really quickly, I forgot to add that if you're looking for some people to follow, comment below. I can definitely hook you up with some recommendations. Also, if you like what I'm saying here and you think that you might want to follow me, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you get more AOTDs. Have a great night, guys. See ya.